Hello everyone, in another trek to this part, which is called Tizin Mzik, and you can see Emil Valley, which is our start point. Yeah, so we came all the way from there for 2 hours to get to here for a lunch pause before we go to Temsult, where we are going to spend tonight at. So yeah, this is another trek that we offer. And yeah, for tourists, this is just a nice, beautiful view that you should not miss when you are here surrounded by the Atlas Mountains, the Hight Atlas Mountains especially. You can see how big mountains are here. And you stop in a forest-like nature to have a picnic or lunch, whatever you want to call it, to get some energy to do 1.5 hour lift walk. Keep up with me. There's still more things that we will be doing during this trek. It will take 3 days. Yeah, and this is the first day. We just walked for 2 hours. Keep it up with me. And that is the refuge. That's where you are going to stay for the night till morning before embarking on another journey. After you arrive in here, you can go in the area and do more exploration. Maybe go to the river. Yeah, sit next by water. Put your feet in there, which you might need after a 5 hours walk. And enjoy this beautiful view looking at this massive Atlas Mountains. Yeah, the sun is already setting because of the mountains. Yeah, it's almost 4, so it's all enjoyable, and there is no room for boredom. It's really beautiful to be up here in the mountains. It's something that everyone needs to do. So local people in a village below this part, which is called Tiziusum, the village name, they made this in the mountain. Quite big fields full of potato and onion and a lot of vegetables. It's quite interesting. Yeah, you will walk through this and it's just amazing. It's all bio. You feel the energy and the power that this food can give you. It's very nice. Those are called Zivin Tamazicht, and they are some buildings built with just rocks and dust. Yeah, as a shelter for goats and sheep. So basically at night, you can get up here to the fields. These are the vegetable fields I showed you just a few seconds back in the video. And yeah, you can come up here and do some stargazing. I don't know if you can see the stars in the video, but they are so clear and shining. Yeah, but I'm not sure. I'll post some photos, though even the photos do not showcase how it looks like in reality. Then welcome in the second day in front of this beautiful view. We've already had breakfast and ready to hit the road to approach the base camp in approximately 4 to 5 hours, because the road today is different, a bit steady and steeper than the one of yesterday's. لا بس. And after 3 hours of walking from where we stayed last night, we are here. Like, when you stop going up and you will just go straight for some time and then just going down to the base camp. And yeah, you enjoy a nice picnic here, and as well as a nice view. You know, you can see Marrakesh, but mainly and more clearly during the night because of the lights. Yeah, this is the direction of Marrakesh. As you can see some valleys, and that's Toubkal, by the way. You can see Toubkal summit from here. You will see a plaque up there in a triangle shape. So yeah, it'll go this way, and then we will go down to the base camp. We will still be doing 2 hours walk approximately before we get to the base camp. Yeah, and those are my friends, my clients, but I prefer to use the word friends. Having some nice time, eating picnic. So yeah, keep it up. And yeah, after the exact time I told you, here we are in the refuge. Yeah, this is where I'm going to spend the night at. And that's another one. This was the first one that was built, and then as the region became more touristic, they built this one. Let's go, Paul.
Yeah, we're coming down, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going down, but still feel like it's the same first day. We're full of energy. There is Paul from Lithuania. We're heading down, but still the beauty is still here. Still enjoyable and empowering.